Check out this guy named Xiao Shui. He angry into the furniture company with purpose. Scanning the place warily, the clerk approaches to ask, but he says nothing until spotting an experienced master, then heads straight over. The master demonstrates a hydraulic combination vise, and soon Xiao Shui's frown eases. His partner had ordered these vices for their workshop without consulting him, claiming they deboost efficiency. Doubtful. Xiao Shui came to verify. To his surprise, the vice offers precise clamping, easy operation, and multi-scene compatibility plus a bulk purchase discount. Misunderstanding resolved.